Hey guys, welcome back to Dohm Speed Shop. In this episode, we're going to switch out the fog lights for some LEDs. Yeah. So I've noticed since switching out the headlights on my Silverado LEDs, the fog lights, not doing a whole lot. And nothing worse than when you got LED headlights already, and you hit your fog lights and you got that yellow underglow effect of incandescent bulbs. So today we're switching out these AUXITO LED fog lights. Now let's go ahead and open up the package on these. Gonna use the old Freedom Eagle knife. You know you're jealous. So much freedom in a knife. Let's see here. Ooh. Pretty good looking LED light. A different fan design that I've seen on any other LEDs. Normally this back is exposed and you see a fan blowing in the breeze and stuff gets caught up in there. Yeah, these should do nicely. And inside the box even comes with instructions, so if you're not sure how your light comes out of the housing, right there. Kind of nifty if you've never done this before. I'm pretty sure the lights that are in this truck are probably original to the truck back in 2015. And exclusive to people who subscribe to my channel or watch my videos, take a look. If you click the link down below, you get 15% off AUXITO's LED headlights using the link below, using code DOHMSPEEDSHOP. On to the install. Now, just to make things a little easier on myself, I did jack up this side of the vehicle. Wheels still on the ground though. Just jacked it up a little bit just to get enough room under there to get my winter stomach under there. Alright, so once you get underneath the vehicle here, go ahead and pop your connector off. Swing it out of the way so you'll forget about it in 20 minutes. You're gonna go in here, kind of pop the bulb out. Mine is starting to just deteriorate in here, which is making this just so much fun to do. There you go, with a little fiddling. Came out, well, we won't say without a fight, but came out, and that's all that matters here. And then for reinstallation, go ahead and put the new LED one up here. Slide it until where it clicks. And it's all set. So all you gotta do is plug it in. And this is what it looks like after you got installed. Nice white and bright, opposed to dingy incandescent bulbs, which look like that. If you want a side-by-side comparison here, here's your difference between the stock, which is on lean thanks to Mr. Prybar, versus the LED. I mean, I can't say more about the differences than that right there. World's different. And that's the install of the LED fog lights from AUXITO. Pretty easy modification, pretty much plug and play once you get the pesky old one out, and you're good to go. Hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you next time here from Dohm Speed Shop.